Hello everyone, my name is Hassan and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meaning. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video.
Today we're gonna show you how to upload a CSV file from your local machine to your Snowflake table using the Snowflake Python connector. So first of all, we're gonna import the required libraries, and we're gonna also use a function called write pandas from the Snowflake connector pandas tools. So here we can run those libraries. I'm just gonna import them. Then we need to connect to our database instance from Snowflake. I'm gonna just copy and paste my credentials information to connect to my Snowflake account. So as I've showed you before, we only have to set our username, password, account, and you can also go further by setting your specific database or specific table here when you are connecting to your Snowflake. But in this case, for now, I'm gonna create a new table, and I'm gonna also set a new database and new schema, and create this table and upload the file immediately to it. So I'm gonna execute the following SQL command. I'm gonna set my role to be as a sysadmin to be able to create a database and table, to have this privilege. Now I'm gonna run this create database command as dp2. And we're gonna also run this command to use this database. So we have to give an explicit instruction for our Snowflake connector to know where to create the table and in which database. Okay, we're gonna run this query now. We're gonna also use the public schema. Okay. And the file we're trying to upload, actually I have a kind of dummy file. I'm gonna show you what are the columns I need to have for my table. So I'm gonna just show you this file. So actually this file looks like it's a column separated value. It's not a comma separated value, it's the semicolon separated value. Let me just import it in the right way, read it in the right, using the right separator. So now you can see it's showing a username, identifier, and the first name, last name. So we're gonna need those column names. So those are the column names. We're gonna import them from here. And to execute the required SQL command for creating a table, so I'm just gonna import it from here. I have it prepared before. So we're creating a table called username with the username field of type string, and an identifier of type integer, and first name, last name with the string types. We're gonna execute this command and make sure we have imported our file. Then using the write pandas function, now we can write our data frame to our Snowflake table, and we have to specify our table name, the one we created, the username. Just run this. So as you can see, it should show a true value down here, indicating a normal file upload to the Snowflake instance. Obviously I have a typo here, using setting the right username, the right table name. So now we're gonna wait to show a true message. So it's indicating we're able to create this table and add the values. Now let me show you those okay, let me just show you our values from our, let me show you this table from the data from the Snowflake into web interface. Let me just refresh here my screen. I'm gonna just copy this. So I'm gonna show you on the other screen from the Snowflake interface. This is from the Snowflake. Here the table, it's showing the username, the identifier, the first name and the last name, and that's it.
If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted, and thank you for watching.